Something light with net material. So I'm going to join three parts together to form a whole here. I have two white and I have one pink. There is a reason for making it into three parts. I ought to have used two parts if it is a thick material, but this is a very transparent material, so I'll be using one as an inner before I work with the other two. So watch me as I create this. So the first thing I'm going to do is knot it together at the front like that. Then I'm going to pick one of the wine color that is two. I'm going to pick one and make it as a foundation because it is a very light material and it's very transparent. So I'm going to make one to thicken up the foundation, like cover it up and make it thick so that it will not be transparent when I'm finally done with this style. So I'm making the foundational laid now and I'm almost done with it. So let me check it out if it is perfectly laid so I can have this place adjusted, and now I can work with the two part that I really need to create this style. So you can see the transparency has reduced and I can now continue with the head wrap. So I just stretch those tools out, use it to cover up, like stretch it out to meet each other and cover up the middle part. Now I'm going to direct the excess forward like this, take it up. Then what do I need to do? Grab the two together. Just turn your hand like you're making twist with the two. Not too tight because it's a very soft material. So loosen up your hand and cross it. So that one side is done. So I'll continue with the other side. So on the way, the white finished, but I continue rolling it up with the pink color and it's not that obvious. So I keep the excess pink underneath there and I'm done with that part. You see this front? I'm going to stretch it out and dip the angles down. Go to the other side as well, dip the angle down like that. So I'm going to come to the center and join both the pink and the wine together to become one. And finally, my head wrap is ready. This is a very light style you can create with net material and you can rock it anywhere of your choice. So I'm done for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.